First on the list is Oumuamua. In 2017, astronomers spotted something strange hurtling through our solar system. It was shaped like a long cigar. It spun oddly, and it wasn't from here. They called it Oumuamua, Hawaiian for scout. It moved too fast, had no visible tail like a comet, and reflected sunlight in bizarre ways. One scientist even suggested it might be an alien probe using solar sails. The truth is, we still don't know. And just like that, it vanished. Next, dark flow. In 2008, NASA found something terrifying. Entire clusters of galaxies were moving in the same direction, as if being pulled by something massive beyond the observable universe. They called it dark flow. But that something lies outside the known universe, beyond the cosmic horizon. Could it be another universe? A tear in space-time? No telescope can see it, but galaxies feel it, and that's deeply unsettling. Then, we have the Great Attractor. In the constellation Centaurus, astronomers noticed our galaxy, and many others, were being pulled toward an invisible region at over 2 million kilometers per hour. They named it the Great Attractor. Whatever is there is incredibly massive, possibly hundreds of thousands of galaxies. But to this day, no one knows exactly what it is. Now, Tabby's star. Normal stars dim when planets pass in front of them. But Tabby's star didn't dim normally. It flickered. Sometimes it dimmed by over 20% for days, at random intervals. No planet could do that. Some scientists believed it might be a massive swarm of comets. Others thought it could be an alien megastructure, a Dyson sphere. We still have no concrete explanation, but the star keeps flickering. Next, the cold spot. In the map of the early universe, there's a region far colder than expected. Scientists tried to explain it. A data glitch, a random fluctuation. But one theory refuses to die. It might be a scar, left behind from when our universe collided with another one during its formation. A cosmic bruise. Now, the oh my god particle. In 1991, detectors picked up a single subatomic particle with more energy than anything ever recorded, equivalent to a baseball flying at 90 kilometers per hour. That's impossible, at least according to known physics. It was called the oh my god particle. And no supernova, black hole, or galaxy collision can explain it. It came from nowhere and left no trace. Moving on. Galaxy X. Our galaxy has a dark twin. Hidden behind the dense bulge of the Milky Way, astronomers detected gravitational disturbances that hinted at a massive object, an entire galaxy, invisible in all light. They named it Galaxy X. We can't see it, but we know it's there. Pulling stars, warping space, a ghost galaxy in plain sight. Next up, the Bhuta's Void. Imagine a region of space over 300 million light-years wide, containing almost nothing. That's the Bhuta's Void. It's so empty it's been called the Great Nothing. No galaxies, no clusters, just blackness. How such a void formed in a universe full of matter remains one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. Now let's talk about Hanny's voorwerp. In 2007, a Dutch schoolteacher found something strange in an online astronomy project. A bright green blob next to a galaxy. Scientists had never seen anything like it. It turned out to be the glowing remnants of a quasar, a massive burst of energy from a supermassive black hole. But the quasar had turned off, and the blob was still glowing, a cosmic echo of a dead light. Then, the cosmic web. When scientists mapped out the universe, they found galaxies arranged in vast filaments, like a web, stretching across billions of light years. This isn't random. It suggests that some deeper structure, some invisible skeleton, is shaping the cosmos. Dark matter? Primordial forces? No one really knows. Next, FRB 121102. Fast radio bursts are powerful flashes of radio waves from deep space. Most are one-time events. But FRB 121102 repeated over and over, and it came from a dwarf galaxy 3 billion light-years away. Some researchers suggested a magnetar. Others hinted at something artificial. To this day, it's still sending signals. Then, we have the XTEJ 1650-500. Astronomers discovered this black hole in our galaxy, but its size and speed of rotation are almost impossible. It spins so fast, it's nearly violating the laws of physics. Some believe it could be a doorway. A rotating black hole could theoretically become a wormhole, a tunnel through space and time. What if it's more than just a black hole? Now let's open the file on the Eridanus supervoid. It's one of the largest structures in the known universe, except it's not a structure at all. It's an immense void, over 1 billion light-years across, nearly empty of galaxies and matter. Some scientists believe it's connected to the cold spot in the cosmic microwave background. Others suggest it might be evidence of a collision with another universe, an interdimensional scar written across space itself. Then there's WD 1145 plus 017. It's a white dwarf, the dense core of a dead star. But what makes it strange is that something is orbiting it, something crumbling. Astronomers believe it's a disintegrating planet, one of the first direct pieces of evidence showing a world being torn apart by its dying star. We're watching the slow, violent death of a solar system. And finally, Max J 1149 plus 2223, lensed star 1, also known as Icarus. It's the farthest individual star ever detected, 9 billion light-years away. It's only visible because of gravitational lensing, where the gravity of a galaxy bends and magnifies its light. For a brief moment, that distant star became visible to us, like a single light in the dark, flickering across time and space. A reminder of how vast the universe is, and how small we are. We often think we understand the universe. Laws, equations, predictions. But these objects remind us there's so much we don't know. What else is out there? What haven't we seen yet? And these were the most mysterious objects in space. Until next time, keep questioning.
Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you learned something, make sure to leave a like. Comment down below your thoughts on things that were discussed in this video. And subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one. Thank you again, and goodbye.